Shonganuku Nandi Kurumoto Una na nukwa nke na-emenu. Teddy A and BamBam Bamike, your very own, our very own on-screen Achalaugo, Nadia Teddy A Esego, and the streets are talking. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I am your girl Bella. BBNaija sweet love story. They shake. Double Wahala season. They shake. Biakwan, come and hear the story sharp as I they give you the hot gist. As I they give you the hot gist, come make you hear wetin they happen. No be small thing, no be small thing, See, I go give you this slow down, sharp. Okay, Teddy A and BamBam that met in that Big Brother Naija in 2018. That couple wey marry, come get pikin Maya and Zion. People they hail as one of the best success story from the show. Them marriage they trend now because people they talk say them fit divorce or separate. But true, nobody don't confirm am. Teddy A and BamBam never come out say we don't split or divorce don't happen. Now just strong rumor where they fly up and down for social media. As of today, February 2026, waiting cause the whole wahala. Them unfollow each other for Instagram recently. Fans see am and boom, everybody start to dey shout marriage don't crash. For December 2025, around Christmas time, them post separate photo shoots instead of family picture together like before. That one already starts small gist. BamBam career they blow well now. Acting, especially romantic roles where she dey kiss guys for movie like Achalaugo, Love in Every Word, with actors like Uzo Arukwe. Some people they talk say maybe Teddy A no too like am. He dey jealous because she dey shine and fine pass am now. In own hustle too loud before like this. Old story today they surface. Like that one where people accuse Teddy A say in dey beat him wife. Even during pregnancy, Teddy A just talk am for 2-day podcast few days ago, saying a pure lie. He shock and say he nearly spoil everything for them. But they no confirm say anything like that no happen. Them still they show say them dey together publicly before this new gist come out.
Also, one of the things that because you talked about the press, what was one of the things that you've read that's really broken your heart?
Wow. When they said I was beating my wife, that was a lot. Woke up, went downstairs. My wife was there. She was watching the movie. She was pregnant.
Right.
We were just laughing. Next thing.
Oh, so even worse, they were saying this thing about you beating your pregnant
yes.
wife. Right.
And I check my phone. I'm seeing my notifications go off. I'm like, I didn't drop content that's trending. What's going on?
What did I do?
What did I do? Or what are they saying now?
Yeah.
And I'm going through comments. I'm like,
Yeah.
My wife, she's angry. She's like, who would do this? She's very emotional. She's like, who would do this? I was like, oh, mommy, I don't know. This is probably one ex somewhere or my village people. Trying to.
Now social media people, blogs, they carry the thing up and down. Post they push and say rumor. Everybody they talk say BamBam and Teddy A marriage don't spoil. Some fans they blame BamBam career, say she know they obey her husband. Others they defend and say make una no jump into conclusion. Some even talk say them don't separate since last year. But na speculation no. The bottom line be say na just wege for IG because they unfollow each other. Plus OGs, plus people imagination right now. No official statement from them too don't come out. No divorce paper talk, nothing concrete. Celebrity marriage always they big under big microscope. So until Teddy A and BamBam come out talk say themselves for their page or interview, na just rumor e be o. Make we no too carry am for head yet. God fit settle them if anything dey, okay? If fresh updates drop, I go show una. Wetin you think? Drop it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Achalaugo.